let's listen to the story. It is raining today. Mrs. Lau and Kelly are going outside. They want to take their dog for a walk. The dog does not like rain. The dog is hiding with Kelly's toys. The dog is next to Kelly's doll. Children, let's listen to the song. Come, little dog, where are you? Are you in the toy box with the doll? Come, little dog, where are you? Are you in the toy box with the doll? D. 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 Come, little dog. Where are you? Look at the word dog. Say dog. Dog. Children, let's say the letter D and the word dog. D. Dog. D. Dog. Children, let's learn one more word that begins with the letter D. Doll. Say doll. Doll.